get to know me. I'm so busy. I don't even have time for myself. Yes. Don't worry. When we see, we'll talk. Amen, oh, big woman. Hey, amen. Look, I'm one of those hardworking girls that live in a very expensive apartment in the city. Okay.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Can I get you?
Auntie, I beg, enter inside your car, Joe. You see how the makeup is. Yes. No.
Excuse me. There's no way I could get inside the car. You're kneeling on my car.
Look, let me call you back. I beg, enter inside this your carton motor. What is it? You didn't you see I was on call? Why are you obstructing my call? What's your problem? Are you blind?
Is something wrong with you? Is this how you talk to strangers or you lost manners?
I don't understand. Are you the one to tell me how to talk to anybody? Who are you? Because of this your cheap car? You think I'm happy you obstructed a very important call worth millions of naira because you want to enter this your 400,000 naira car? I don't understand you. Which kind of nonsense with this one now? Why you gonna yarn in here?
Do you have any car? Do you have any car parked here? Because I'm sure you don't have any. People like you just brag when they have little. You don't have anything.
Are you serious? I'm sure you don't have any. People like you just brag. Look, let me tell you. I have a whole lot of cars. The least of my car is a Lexus Jeep. In fact, look, the cars I have this your car. I think it's times 100 better than this your carton car. So don't talk to me like that. Do you understand me?
I can see. You're just faking it. I get. You don't have any. Don't worry. I'll do you a giveaway when I'm done with this.
You must be very stupid. You are sick in the head. Yes, you're very stupid. Don't worry, I'll just give again. Hey, do you think I'm one of those girls that live fake life like you? I do not live fake life, madam. I am a realist. So mind the way you talk to me, please.
That's your own cup of tea. I don't drink tea, I do champagne. Excuse me.
You don't drink it. Where are you going to? Where do you think you are going to? Stay back, let me finish you. I don't blame you. I blame my driver. If not for my driver, I didn't say you could talk to me like that. Nonsense. I better park this your carton motor to come up for you. And I be the first person to drive a rubbish car. Hello, darling. Yes. I'm good. Yes. Oh, okay. No, never mind.
Hello, it's Angel. How you doing? What's the problem? I saw you, bantering with a lady. Hope you're fine.
Oh God, learn to mind your business. You saw me bantering and so? What is your business?
No, I just came.
Oh, and you just came to do what? I bet park where, Joe? All these be like, wait, I don't know. You just came to
I only came to just give a helping hand to you. I didn't. Why are you so upset? Like girls of these days. God, look how you're barking like a chihuahua. What kind of pepper body is this?
Checking it. Make sure you turn it to. I've turned this one. Always make sure you turn it at 8 hours. Sorry, go. Oh yeah, make sure you turn it at 8 hours. Be careful, oh. Tracy. Babe, what's up now? So you know answer my greet. What happened? Now one idiot too. One insult my full life because I live for a carton motor. Can you imagine? I don't understand. I was just there having a good conversation on the phone. She just came in and started insulting me that why would I lean my body on her car? That her cheap car. Now she's gonna insult my full life.
Tracy,
Can you imagine?
Tracy, calm down. Come on. It's not her fault and it's not yours either. Some people do not like anyone leaning on their car. It irritates them or something. I don't know.
I don't understand. I don't blame her. I don't blame her. And me carry myself, put my body, leave for her car. I don't blame her at all.
Tracy, come on, let it slide.
I'm not saying that idiot too. Because as far as I'm concerned, she's a nobody. You need to see the way her head was swelling up when I told her that I have different kind of cars. And the list of my car is Lexus Jeep. You they laugh? They laugh, man.
Tracy! But you and I know that's a lie.
Now. Me and you know say na lie, na normal packaging. Next time when she go see me, she go respect me.
Next time, okay, next time she go see you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What if she sees you next time in your Legady's Benz instead, Madam Liar?
I beg. That will not concern me. It's none of my business. Now packaging all of us the package now. You know whether that car when she carry na borrow post. If she said they borrow now, everybody they borrow.
When he does a cup of tea, come on. Anyway, in your rush to the supermarket, you forgot your keys.
I beg carry my key, give me Joe.
Mercy, I beg. Please give me the key that she forgot.
Bring my key fast.
How you go focus? Not be focus.
I need carry give me. I need 3 plantain. Give me 3 plantain for there.
Give you waiting.
Nah.
Give you waiting. Because now you get the business. Nobody give me 3.
I know that.
No. Now you get the business now. No, carry everything they go ask. You don't even ask for 1, they ask for 3.
You know say 1 plantain not go satisfy.
You the criminal.
I beg carry 3 give me.
No. Now 1 I go give you go pay for 2.
I don't hear you, madam.
Now 1 I they give you.
You too stingy.
Now 1 I they give you.
You too stingy.
Bring your money
carry plantain give me. Make I chop it. You dey come
say 3. Babe, you get mind though. Bring your money for 2. Bring your money. Mercy, come me away.
I need to want to get I'll give you.
See you. Now you go to fight.
I beg breathe the ball.
Let beat you where see your head.
You If not for say you be my friend, If not for say you be my friend, I for not treat your fuck up. I beg carry your matter go for now. Give me 3 ball.
Yes. My girl. Yes. My girl. You separate. You just there Abuja they enjoy. Come back not even they hungry. So you're sure you're coming next tomorrow? Okay, oh no wahala. Please, when you come in, don't forget to get me lots of goodies. It's very important. As a baby girl. Kai, my girl, don't miss you die. Movie lie. Oh. My girl, before I forget, how is your seminar going? Oh. Okay, that's fine. Please, beauty. We'll talk again. Please, just make sure you come next tomorrow. Okay, my girl. Bye. Oh.
What are you
Are
driving?
you the owner of this car? Can you drive? Did you go to driving school?
Are you being serious right now?
Did you see that this is not your lane?
I was trying to pass here.
You are going to pass.
What are you driving? Don't you have eyes? Are you not seeing? Are you blind? Smart person.
What do you mean? You are the mad person here.
Are you
Take
stupid?
this thing away from here.
Did you ever talk to my driver like that? I go slap you. You're not going to my driver. Yes. Yes. Don't you know this is my driver? Tell your driver to take this thing out of my front because you're very stupid. You are mad. Come on, get out. You don't put my hand for your face. Nonsense. You are lucky this is my driver. I will show you who I be. See, look at you. Look at this local crazy lunatic.
That's enough. Take me.
Beauty.
Welcome.
Thank you. When did you come in?
Actually came in like an hour ago.
Oh my goodness. You're welcome. I wasn't really expecting you today. Remember you said tomorrow.
I know. But I couldn't stay for the party. And I had something to do in the office tomorrow. So I had to come.
It's fine. So, how was your trip?
Yeah, it was okay. Just
You're
fine.
welcome.
And how are you? How was work today?
My dear. I'm fine, no. Nothing serious. I'm just that you came unannounced. I would have just,
Well, I'm here.
Yeah.
Goodness.
Oh.
Queen, guess what I saw today?
You told me. Well, no.
Guess now.
Just tell me, do I look like a monitoring spirit?
Okay. Wendy.
Wendy?
Wendy now. The one that stayed in our room. The one I brought into the room. Remember?
The smart, intelligent Wendy girl.
Thank you.
That we helped.
I tell you.
Oh my God.
I saw my way coming back today.
I admire that girl so much.
Me too.
Wow. So, did you get her number?
After our conversation, she had to give me a number and she promised to call her.
I can't wait to see her. I really want to see her. I guess she's one of the biggest girls in town now. She must be in money.
For sure. You needed to see her. I was wild.
Their brain.
Hey!
That girl's brain is smoking hot.
I really can't understand where she got that brain from. See how she was looking so good today. I was like, wow, Wendy, is this you?
That's a good news, actually.
After our conversation, I had a bad day.
Wow, what happened?
I met this crazy, stupid driver that drove into my way. And we just got stuck there. Okay, I asked him to go back. The guy refused though. And just came out and started misbehaving. You needed to see the show he pulled out there. As if that was not enough. The madam came down, the owner of the car. That one started shouting, embarrassing herself in public.
My girl, I hope you gave it back to them. Back to back, like as if they hot.
Of course I did. You know, trust me.
She's lucky. She did mad. She's lucky I was not there. Else.
I know. But anyway, it just got to a point. I just wanted to just let everything be and allow her to keep fooling herself.
That's good. Me, I can't do that anyway. I'm tired. I need to freshen up.
I'll join you shortly.
Alright, that's fine. Welcome.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Ah, goodness, Queen. Did you have to take it?
Of course, you can just get one.
I just came in.
That's true.
Come on. Wait. Be nice.
Okay.
That's enough.
It's nice, baby. I've missed you.
Missed
Oh,
you.
we have a lot of things.
Go freshen up. You
Oh,
stink.
Lord.
Tracy, you will always be best. I swear. Eh? Tracy, wait. What was the need for all this drama? You asked me, I'll say there's no need. You should have just ignored her. That's it. Simple.
I don't understand. Which one I would have just ignored her? For what now? Person no fit just come use me shine. It's not possible now. When I told her that Morris was my driver, she believed now. You're supposed to know my package now.
Tracy, you told her that the owner of the car was your driver.
Of course I did. I told her Morris was my driver, and you need to see the expression on her face.
You shouldn't have done that now.
Haba, I don't understand you. Which one is I shouldn't have done that? Eh? No, babe, no start this kind of thing, no. Look, you say you want to tell me something. Yeah, tell me at the end. Give me gist now. You say you want to discuss something with me.
I met one of my friends today. Tracy, I was ashamed of myself.
Why?
Back in the university, I was the most brilliant girl in class. Everyone wanted to be me. You know, I always helped them out with their assignments. I solved a lot of their problems, and I got so many awards in school. I won so many awards, went to so many competitions and everything. We've all graduated. Everyone has gone their way, separate ways.
Well, normal life. So why were you ashamed?
Tracy, the person I saw today, I'm not saying it to insult her, but she used to be one of the most dullest in our class.
Are you serious?
Tracy, this lady is rich. She works as an operational manager for one of these big firms here in this city. By now, I'm supposed to be more than this, because here I am still selling bole. She then proceeded to ask me where I'd parked my car. And for the very first time, Tracy, I had to lie. I told her that I was just standing and waiting for a friend who took my car. So it was stupid. I just made up an excuse of the car being taken someplace else and everything, and I was waiting for the person to come back. Tracy. Are you mocking me?
No. I'm just imagining myself in your shoes. Like, I don't get it. I mean, if I was the one, you're supposed to know me now. No more package. I go package myself well. I say I go package well, say all of them go respect me. She go respect me. You self, you too they dull. I don't understand you.
Tracy, with everything that has happened, I made up my mind. See this runs thing you've been telling me about? I'm interested because I cannot continue like this now. How long will I say bole? Where this bole business? How long? I've made up my mind. I want to do it.
Hey, that's my girl, Wendy. Welcome to the club. Look, you have to go and get prepared because tomorrow I'm going to teach you some, things ahead of the next groove. No go dull. So you get to prepare well. So I go, and wear my shoes because I was not going
let me rush to the shade and join the messy there.
Okay, all right.
All right, later. Thank you.
Darling.
Tomorrow,
Yes, dear. Bye. Babe, You need to change your pattern of movement,
Eh.
especially when you're in the club or in any of these functions. Sure, you see all these models when they TV. You see the way they package yourself. So,
I know. Yeah, I know
too.
that one. Yeah, I know. That one will be problem. If not, leave her for me.
Really?
Not be me again.
Okay, so I want make you catwalk now.
Now?
Mm-hmm.
Like this, so.
Now.
Oh, yeah. I don't do it. I sabi am now,
You don't do it, your spiritual. I say make you catwalk, like move from here to this place. Ma give you chance, catwalk.
Okay. Here like this.
Mhm.
Come enter.
Okay, that one will be all right. Okay. Wait, what do you say you need to? Which kind of catwalking be this one now?
Normal.
Wait, which normal catwalk? You dey catwalk, abi you dey buffalo walk? This one na buffalo walk now you dey do so.
Don't make her do it again now. You know, like, since you don't like this one, make her do another one.
Do another one, let me see.
Okay, like the one on TV.
Yes.
Okay.
Hey, Wendy, wait. What is this?
Catwalk.
This one not be catwalking. This one na gorilla walking. I been na epilepsy walking. I don't understand.
Okay, oh yeah, do now, make her see now.
Which one be
What
say
the person
do?
no, they kill and do am. Do am.
First of all, you just have to smile. Give a sexy smile. Before you start catwalking. Do like this. You stand straight, you chin up, don't hench your back, and then you move like this. You go like this. You like this. Chin.
Okay.
Now. Oh yeah, try again.
Okay.
Do. Now you learn now. Yes, now.
I thought you say I'm walking on monkey
You
walking.
are very fast.
Hi, thank you. I get this one. Oh yeah, what next?
You know how they do am, If you see all these men then, you get to smile. A very sexy smile.
Okay.
Look, whether you like the man or you don't like him, if not, in fact, just smile because waiting our major focus now the money will be fine.
Yes, I know.
No go give all those your mama smile. So
Okay.
you smile,
Okay.
give a romantic smile. Oh yeah, smile, make us see. Smile. Which kind smile be that one? Wetin you dey smile? Okay, look.
Do I make us?
Man show you something. Just look me like say, okay, well, no, do another one. Just look me like say I be rich guy, like I get money. Give me that sexy smile. Sexy, yeah.
Sexy
smile. Oh yeah, do. Wetin be this now? Which kind laugh be this one? Which kind smile be this one?
Oh yeah, do am.
Okay, see, if I dey with rich guys now,
How you go take do am?
do am. Ma show you. I dey with rich guys. That's like this. You dey see am so. Not be that one when you go dey open your teeth, your 72 teeth.
See how you fancy do this one now.
Me, I don't suffer if I not they do again. Now me, you dey say as no,
you never reach that, never
training
get.
is over because that fever when they worry you don't start
That's
again.
what they say. Do teacher work. Come now.
Which teacher work?
You did now. You my teacher right now. Chinese people go say sensei.
Now you got to say that smile fits me, Abi. Okay, no
No
problem. We are
vex
done
now.
for
They
the
don't
day.
fit joke with
We
you
don't-
again.
They
I'm
don't
just
dey
joking.
Hey, everything is fake. The life is a game. Oh, not judge. They
Let's
want
go beside. Say I know the yell to the talk. But see the last time I give you motor, you know balance me. Before we go strike anything, go first pay me for the other one. You don't even know the source why they go to make other people motor available for you to use. I be say the days from you, they say make you pay money, no.
But I tell you, say I go pay your money now. I tell you, say I not pay. I told you I was going to give you your money. Why are you sounding like this now? I just told you, give me some time. I will give you your money.
And that's one time when you dey talk. First of all, say I give you 3 days. Make I give you 1 week. You enter 1 month. Up to now, say you never even give me the money.
I beg, no vex. I beg. I use God to beg you, no vex. I beg. I dey get family issues, Recently, my mama sick. She not well. Everything just tire me. My younger brother with my 2 younger sisters, I get to pay their school fees. Not be only me then, and I'm maybe the first pikin. So I get to the wrong matter. The bill's too much for my head. We be 6 for family. It's not easy for me. I dey pay, okay, some dey university, the other ones dey secondary school. Now me dey run everything. Just pity me now, I beg. The bills are just too much for me. I dey frustrated. No be say I no dey make money. I make a lot of money. But you know how they be na family matter. The other day my papa roof comot where my mama my siblings dey stay. Now me still sort am out. You know, don't be say I know they make money. I dey make serious bad. They make money. But you know, say family matter now. The expenses is just too much for me. Please, Victor. I beg now.
I don't forgive you. I don't
Thank
forgive you for that one.
Thank
You go forget about the old man. But this new one, before we go start, now cash and you go give me full money. Go give me full money before I give you
Victor,
motor.
I no go fail you for this one. Trust me. I swear to God, I no fail you. You don't know me again.
I no go pay you. And this one, you go give me money.
Why you dey talk like say you don't know me again? You don't know say na Tracy they talk to you now. You don't say na me they run the trans. Na me they now what for you? I be sabi girl now. Now why you?
I know say it's a big. And remember what I tell you. You don't want to catch you. May you coordinate yourself. Don't package yourself. May you no go put me for trouble.
You supposed know me by now. Now me they package everything now. Nothing they happen. Nothing they happen. You know my guy now. Now you they run things for me now.
I know say it's a big girl, but in case you wanna see you, make you arrange yourself.
Now what for you, Victor? You don't know me again, Tracy. Ha, you don't say I be sabi girl. Now me they run this town. Now what for you? Don't worry, I'm not going to ever fail you. Thank you. Hey, my guy.
See, once you done it, just put me on.
You not get problem. You not get problem. No worry. We'll see you later now. You know my guy.
No shortcut in life. Make you take them, jaja. Living a borrowed life. Nothing is real about these girls. Hey, they keep living a fake life, fake life, fake life, fake life. Nothing is real, oh. Nothing is real. Nothing is real, oh. Nothing is real. They keep living a fake life, fake life, fake life. Nothing is real, oh. Nothing is real. The more you look, the less you see. Everything is fake, the life is a game. All not judge, they want to make you believe they are high class chicks. They are high class.
Hi.
Hello.
I was wondering what you're standing here, under this hot sun.
Is there any problem?
Of course not. It's just that I was driving by and then I saw this beautiful angel. I just couldn't help but stop to know why you're standing under this hot sun.
Well, I'm waiting for someone.
Someone? Someone? Well, that someone isn't that nice to have left you under this hot sun. So, can we go somewhere, somewhere quiet, cold, reserved, eat, talk, and then...
Wait, you don't even know me. Why would you want to go anywhere with me?
I can't help. You're such a beautiful angel. Driving past, seeing you under this hot sun, I just couldn't take it. My heart could not take it. Can we drive somewhere, beautiful angel?
You don't even know if I'm a ghost.
A ghost? How did you know that I like ghosts? I love ghosts, all right? If you're a ghost, I would even be more happy. So, can we go somewhere nice? I like to sit and talk with a ghost.
Young man, please. I am not interested in whatever you have to offer, so please leave. Thank you.
All right, can we just help each other and go straight to the point? How much is it going to cost me to possess all these possessions?
There's no land or house here. What exactly are you possessing?
There's a beautiful angel here, better still a ghost. Beautiful ghost. How much will it take me to take this beautiful ghost to one beautiful hotel and we have some beautiful things together? How much? Go straight to the point. Just tell me.
I think you're under the influence of something. I don't get it.
Influence of your beauty, perhaps.
Please, I don't want to insult you.
Don't insult me either, so please leave.
All right. How much?
Are you mad? What is wrong with you? No, you need to see a doctor. Obviously, there's something wrong with your head. Please leave me alone. What's this now? I'm waiting for someone.
That someone is the most wicked human being in this world to have left such beautiful angel, but that's still a ghost under the sun. Change your mind, sweetheart. How much?
Okay.
All right, I hope you change your mind before I start my car. Seeing a beautiful ghost under this hot sun isn't something too nice, all right? Just change your mind. I mean, there's nothing there. Girls do it every day. I mean, that's why you're standing there. You stop acting like you don't have anything, all right? Let me bless you. Let me come into your life, make some reasonable impact in your life. It's very simple. Change your mind?
Leave! What is this?
Change your mind? Beautiful? Angel? Ghost?
I said leave! Leave! What's this? Leave!
Why is it about your anger? Huh? You get more beautiful when you get angry. Please, get more angry. Seems like I like you when you're angry. You look beautiful. Change your mind? How much? Name your price.
Will you leave this place? What's wrong with you? Leave!
Very beautiful. Do it again. Change your mind.
Nothing is real. These are girls who can pay their bills and keep living.
Babe, I want to get something at the mall, alright? I'll be back.
Sorry. Help me get my cream, man. Don't worry, I'll transfer the money to you.
No, Wala. Just double the money.
Why?
Because I can't buy fuel. I go buy fuel now. I mean,
Hey. You know the shame? Can you even hear yourself talk? Big girl like you, with 3 big saloons for this city. See waiting they come out for your mouth. I beg, buy me waiting and make buy me.
I don't hear. If I stand here today, this matter no go end. You go talk, carry me loss.
They go. Yeah. Baby girl.
Please. Have you heard from Wendy?
I've not. She has not called. Maybe she's a busy type now.
See, it would have been best if you had collected her number.
I know. But I didn't call to me.
It's fine, let me telephone.
Yeah.
Probably she'll call.
Have a nice day.
Yeah.
Don't forget my cream, please.
Send the money.
Crazy girl.
Nothing is real, oh, it's real. Nothing is real, oh, it's real. They keep living a fake life, fake life, fake life. Nothing is real, oh, it's real. The more you look, the less you see.
So what happened to your car?
I don't know. It stopped.
So what's wrong with the car?
I don't know. As I was driving, it was jerking kind of, and totally stopped.
Please hold this for me. Go and start the car.
Okay. Thank you so much. Can I? Thank you. Thank you. Hi, I am Koino. What's your name?
My name is Morris.
Okay. Do you live around?
Not quite close, but somewhere within the vicinity.
Okay.
How about you? You stay around?
Yes, yes.
Oh, just
a stone throw.
okay.
Okay. Thank you.
It's all right. It's Can I have your number?
Oh, yes. Here.
All right. I hope I can call you anytime.
Anytime. I don't know about that, but you can call me.
All right. Take care.
Thank you. Yeah. Bye. You must be a church guy, you know?
Oh, the fact that I'm taking stuff doesn't necessarily mean that I have to be a church guy. I mean, it's some personal thing.
That's fine.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Okay, that's
Oh,
fine.
I can see you have a guest, Gwen.
Oh, yes. Morris needs beauty. Beauty needs Morris.
Where did you meet this guy from?
Do you know him?
Yes. This is the driver I told you that embarrassed me with his madam the other day I was coming back from travel. He's the one.
Really?
You need to see how arrogant this so-called driver was towards me that day.
You must be mistaken me for someone else. I'm not a driver.
But that was what your madam said.
Well, I think something went wrong on that day, and that's what she chose to tell you because of reasons best known to her. But I'm not a driver. The car in question is my car.
Oh, that means she's your girlfriend and you denied it.
Like I said, we had a bad day, and I guess aggression was just wrongfully transferred.
Ah. That girl is something else.
That's my cousin. Just in case you get to know.
All right. I've forgiven you. I already let it slide. Okay, Queen. I'll let you entertain your guest. I'll be inside. All right then.
I am sorry about that. I know you weren't expecting me.
Oh, it's alright. It's one of those things. I mean, the most important thing is, has she forgiven me?
Yes, she has. Beauty, my friend, is not always like this. If she says she's forgiving you, then you're forgiven.
Alright. Well, that's okay. I must say you have a very lovely place here.
Thank you. I like my taste. Luxury.
So, if we... Oh, okay.
Everything is fake, the life is a game. Oh, not judge, they want to make you believe they are high class chicks. They are high class. Nothing is real. These are girls who can pay their bills. Keep living about life. Nothing is real about these girls. Hey, they keep living
Babe, how far now?
fake life.
Where they happen now? Why you don't call me now? You just come up for the party like that. Eh? After you and that guy just run matters, you don't even tell me say you don't go out. Why you not call me? I've been trying your number wasn't reachable, wasn't going. Eh, how far now? How the paro now? How the guy take waka now? How una take waka? 100K. Is the guy that broke? No, you know my matter now. 200K sharply. Don't waste your time. No. If I do any paro na 200, yes, so. Alright, no, well, at least you're safe. I just want to know how you're doing. Yes, no. Babe, I beg, no wala. I'm tired. We'll talk tomorrow, eh? Alright, now. Take care. Enjoy. Bye.
Hey, they keep living a fake life, fake life.
Maybe you can. I can even take this.
That's fine.
Go do this one for me, again.
I did go.
Nothing is real. It's really when you look, the less you see.
Auntie, where you dey go?
Abeg, madam, do my own now. Leave am now. Do my own. Do my own. Do my own. Leave auntie. Do
Come take your bullet.
Madam, oya now. Oya now.
Sorry, boss, no face.
Yes, this one. This one I want. Yes, this one. You put this one. Put this one. Yes, you put the other one too.
Which other one?
The other one.
Madam,
This.
how much?
Oh, sorry. Put this one.
Hey. Wait now. Why you dey run now? Eh?
See that girl, so? She was one of the roommates I told you about.
Hey. I was wondering why you were running as if you're owing someone. I don't understand you.
Are you sure she did not see us?
No, I'm not sure. We're smart enough to run away now. She did not see us.
I hope so, sincerely.
That girl said, I don't even understand that baby. That girl just behave like monetary spirit too.
Tracy, Queen is a good person. Stop. It's not every time you make snide remarks, please. Please.
You know what? Where they go?
I won't rest more now.
No, go now. I don't know you they run from person.
I won't catch my breath. What's happened?
You too lazy.
See
now you drag me come.
Thank God, now you
don't they.
No, they go now.
So, my girl, how is Edward? Hope you guys have been talking.
He's fine. We actually spoke this morning.
So, when is he coming back?
No specific date.
Oh,
He said he's still busy. He has a lot to do. So he doesn't know when he's coming yet.
I understand. I know you're missing him.
I do miss him.
Are you not missing him?
I miss him.
My girl.
Yeah, I miss him now. But what can I do? I gotta wait.
Yeah. What?
Oh. Guess what, Queen?
What do you know?
Do you know that my dad is just pressurizing me to settle down? I don't get it.
Hey, I like that man. Your father, I like him.
What?
Beauty, why are you so wicked? As beautiful as you are, you don't want to give him a grandchild? Just give him a grandson. No, wait. If you don't want to give him a son, you can as well give him a girl, the granddaughter. He will like
Are you
him.
being serious right now? Are you serious? Please. Anyway, I've told him to calm down. I still have a lot to achieve. I don't want to get married and then depend on my husband. That's not what I want. I have a lot of things to achieve. You should calm down, please.
You know, I totally understand you. You want to build your empire, refinery, your cement company, so you can cement your heart. You know?
It's not funny.
It is.
Oh, you're trying to be funny.
It is funny. You want to cement your heart, you don't want to fall in love, you don't want to give your father a grandchild or even give him twins, a set of twins. The man will be happy. As a wonderful friend that I am.
Don't make me choke, please, I beg. You should calm down.
No joke.
You should calm down. When I'm ready, we'll get it done. But for now, I got a lot to achieve, baby.
Oh yeah, me too.
That's
Not
right.
running in. I'm not in a hurry. Yes, my girl. I saw someone that looks like Wendy today.
Where did you see her?
At a shade where I bought bole.
Are you sure it was Wendy you saw, or you saw someone that looks like Wendy?
I really don't know, but I saw someone that looks like Wendy with a girl. And they were running. It was as if they were trying to catch up with an appointment. So, looks like I saw.
No. It can't be Wendy. Bole. No. Wait. Are you sure you were not hungry when you saw her? Because I know how you can get when you're hungry.
I was hungry when I saw them.
Now you're talking. Which one is you saw Wendy selling bole?
But I was hungry, but that person looked like her.
I don't think so. But you know, funny enough, bole used to be my favorite food.
I
used to love bole.
With granola, you don't just eat it alone.
I know. You can't balance bole without groundnuts now. The two goes.
The hunger is a bastard.
Tracy,
Chima.
I invited you here to complain about your friend.
Chairman, hope she has not done anything wrong. Oh. What's the problem, please?
Well, there is a little problem. She's been avoiding my calls. Yes, the last time we met, I settled her very well. I gave her a huge sum of money. But now she's avoiding my calls. I don't know why.
Chairman, I'm just hearing this. So. But don't worry. I will talk to her to know what the problem is. Please. She's not doing this intentionally.
But at least she should have returned my calls or sent me a text message.
I understand. Like I said, I'm going to talk to her. That's not a problem. And I'll talk to her and get back to you.
Please do, because I'm really missing her. You know, the last time we were together, the experience was awesome. I mean, it was like I was in paradise, you know. So I want to have a repeat of that.
Mr. Collins, you too like the taxi. Don't worry. Like I said, I will talk to her, know what the problem is, and get back to you.
Please do. Do well to get back to me, okay?
All right, sir.
All right? Good. Meanwhile, you will send in your account number. I will motivate you with 50,000 naira.
Hey! Hey! Chema!
You know now.
Thank you, sir.
You know
Thank
me.
you. Swallow for you.
You know me.
Sir, no wahala.
Yeah.
I will talk to her.
You
She's
know.
all yours. You don't get problem.
Hey, hey, everything is fake. The life is a game. Oh, not judge. They want to make you believe they are high class chicks. They are high class. Nothing is real. These are girls who can pay.
Hello, babe. Babe, how far? Where are you? Look, I spoke to Mr. Collins. He said he has been calling you online. Why are you not picking now? Why they worry you now? Eh?
Why they do like this now? I don't like this thing. No. I don't understand. Which one be which? Don't ask me that kind of question. No. Eh? Wait. I don't understand. You want to follow small boys? No, now what you want now? Babe, I bet leave that level now. Leave that level now. See, now old men they pay pass. Now they pay pass now. Eh? No. I'm not gonna let you talk. Because Mr. Collins on they call your line. Why are you not picking up your call? My dear, forget that matter. Forget him. Which now you want calling wife? Now you want telling wife. Look, they know how they package a paro. Ma just tell you now. And they even more smarter than us.
Call her tomorrow. Now big fish I can't give you. No go for my hand. Which kind of thing be that one? I don't like this kind of thing. See this man. See, I know what I talk to convince this man. May take care of you. This man has money. He go give you money now. He go take care of you. Why you do like this now? I may pick up a call. Or you rather call him. Alright, no wahala. See, just call him tomorrow. Call him and give me feedback. See, yes, no wahala. And see, no, forget my commissions. You know how we do one. Alright.
No wahala. Call him. Call him and get back to me. That's what I want. Do you understand? I trust you. No go door for Dale. Call him. Once you call him, call me back. Alright. Now what? This girl safe. Just the dull anyhow.
No shortcut in life.
Hello, Maurice. Good evening. I'm fine. And you? I'm just about entering my car, heading home. She's fine. She's home. I hope there's no problem. Okay, you could just go ahead and tell me why since we are discussing it. Okay, we can see tomorrow. I don't go around my salons every day. I have managers, so tomorrow will be okay. Yes, tomorrow is fine. Alright. See you tomorrow's night. And good night.
Dad, please. Please, Dad, don't start, please. I still have a lot of things to achieve, Dad. I'm just not ready for marriage now. No, Dad, it's not like I'm lecturing you about marriage. But I'm not ready for it now. Yes. He's not back yet. Why do you want to see him? No, I have to know because he's definitely going to ask me what you want to see him for. So please tell me. I hope you're not going to bring up the marriage issue. It is my concern. Dad, please. Alright. I'll talk to you later, Dad, please. I have an incoming call I need to take now. Goodness. Yes, hello? Yes. I'll see you soon. I'm on my way.
Hey, hey, everything is fake. The life is a game. Oh, not judge. They want to make you believe they are high class chicks. They are high class. Nothing is real. These are girls who can pay their bills. Keep living a borrowed life. Nothing is real about these girls. Hey, they keep living.
So it's a good one to start the scene, you know? If people see you and I, they will think that we are dating. And they wouldn't know that you are my daughter.
Oh my God. Oh, Dad.
I hope these things will shift.
I know, right?
You know, so it's good to have a beautiful girl as a daughter.
That's right.
You know?
And a handsome man.
You know?
Oh, Daddy. Oh my God.
So it's good to have a beautiful girl as a daughter.
Thank you, Daddy. And it's good to have a handsome man as a brother.
Hey, everything is fake. The life is a game. Oh, not judge. They want to make you believe they are high class chicks. They are high class. Nothing is real. These are girls who can pay their bills. Keep living a borrowed life. Nothing is real about these girls. Hey, they keep living a fake life, fake life, fake life, fake life. Nothing is real, oh. Nothing is real. Nothing is real, oh. Nothing is real. They keep living a fake life, fake life, fake life. Nothing is real, oh. Nothing is real. The more you look, the less you see.
I don't understand. What are you doing with my friend's man? You can tell me say you be wrong again, so we go understand. Now the money you say buy motor, I don't see her finish now. Breeze don't blow. How you hear job? I didn't ask you question. What are you doing with my friend's man? You don't want to talk? Say they look me like Dundee. See me see wahala. I can see you want to start your madness. You will soon see madness because I caught you with a man that is old enough to be your father.
Tracy! What kind of embarrassment is this? Why are you talking to my daughter like that? What's wrong with you?
Wait. Can't call you. What do you talk now? Daughter. Hey, God. When you talk now, your daughter. Hey. Tracy, your man go put you for trouble one day. Oh, God, call this happen on face. I didn't know she was your daughter. Oh. So God who made me. Hey, God. I'm sorry, oh. Hey, God, I beg no face. I'm sorry, sir. Dad, where did you know this annoying and insolent girl from? Where?
Let's go.
Dad?
Let's go.
is Morris? Where is Morris? You this boyfriend snatcher and a prostitute. Bring out Morris, man snatcher.
Did you? I'll pretend I didn't hear what you just said. Wait a minute. Did you refer to me as a prostitute? Or to someone else here? Is there anybody else here? You called me a prostitute. Did you just call me a prostitute?
Yes, I referred to you as a prostitute because obviously you are a prostitute. What would you do? Tell me now, what will you do? Yes, the other day you insulted me and spoke to me rudely, but I overlooked you. And now for you to be with my man, it will not happen because girls like you are very good in snatching other women's man. Are you not? Look at her.
I can see you are obviously running mad. But I won't stand here and banter words with you. I'm simply a mad girl. Morris! Morris!
You better look for a call and let him come out, Jerry.
Morris!
Tracy, what's up, girl? How about the guy you went to see? Which kind of rough play be that one now? So you did there since? Hey! Now wow. Then why not call him and tell him that you're still there waiting for him? You don't come out for there? Oh, you still there the eatery? Oh, okay. But you can't wait there all day now. My sister, if you taste when you no come, you find your way. Oh. Okay now, I did shade. Alright there. Correct. Oh yeah now.
Yeah, who is here?
Customer, welcome.
Good afternoon.
Welcome. How work now?
I thank God.
You know they bring all those people come
No, so I no come out early today. That's nah, I bet do ball for me. Just give me pure water first. My drink first. Yeah, give me pure water. I bet I will pass.
No worry, she go do you well.
Nah, no, do me well.
Living a fake life, fake life, fake life, fake life. Nothing is real, oh. Nothing is real. Nothing is real, oh. Nothing is real. Wow. They keep living a fake life, fake life, fake life. Nothing is real, oh. Nothing is real. The more you look,
Just imagine. Becky. Who be that, say?
It's Wendy, open up.
I beg, come in. Hey. How far? Hey. Monetary spirits. This one when I just enter, now you follow enter. Eh?
Wetin happen?
Which one be waiting happen?
I beg, no cost me. Wetin happen?
Oh.
The person you went to see, how did it go?
My dear, no mind that idiot too. I left there. Can you imagine? I was already close to the house. That was when he called that he was there. So I told him that I went to get something.
So you're going back, Abi?
Why should I go back? For what now?
Tracy. Hey, wonders will never end. Wait. Okay, fine. I understand. But you know what? Please, call him.
Wait, I should call him. For what now?
It's the right thing to do.
It be like say you don't know the kind of friend when you get. Make I can't go waste my credit, call that idiot.
No vex, no vex. After all, you don't concern me now your matter. So handle and the way you choose.
I hear you. You were calling me. So I know hear you. You were saying something about hair. The network was bad.
My friend. My friendship. My friendship. You know, say, that's your wig now. That one you borrowed me that last time. So, you know, you say the wig looks good on me. So, as make I come meet you. Make you borrow me the wig again. So, I won't go see Mr. Collins tomorrow. At least I need to package. You know now.
You guys spoke.
Yes, so I later called him this morning.
Are you serious?
Hey, babe, you will not believe what happened today. Hey! I embarrassed myself in front of Mr. Collins at the eatery.
How do you mean?
My dear, I saw one girl that embarrassed me a few weeks ago. So I went to embarrass her in front of Mr. Collins. Yes, so I called her names that she's a Ross girl. She should stay away from Mr. Collins. That my friend belongs to Mr. Collins.
Oh, Tracy. Why are you this hot? You shouldn't have done that.
Come on, even if she's one of his side chicks. My sister, if you just lock up now. Haba, must you talk? You to talk. Guess what?
What?
Who the girl is to Mr. Collins?
His wife?
No, now. His daughter. His wife is no more.
Babe, you match line, no.
Why you... Maybe this one they vibrate my phone.
Mr. Collins. Is the one calling?
Oh yeah, now answer him. Maybe he wants to explain to you what I did today.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir. Fine. Everything is fine, sir. Thank you, sir. No, anytime you need me, I am available, sir. Yes, sir. No, yeah.
I won't talk to her.
Yes, sir. Tracy wants to speak with you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hello, Chairman. Chairman, please, I'm very, very sorry. Please, I'm sorry about what happened today. And you see, that girl, she offended me a few weeks ago, so I wanted to pay back. I'm so sorry, sir. Chairman, please, I'm sorry. Please. I know you're a very nice and generous man, and I wouldn't want to ruin this relationship, please. Just find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm sorry, sir. All right. Thank you so much, sir. Twali.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. God bless you, sir. Anytime. No, anytime. I'm available. Yes, sir.
My girl, you don't tire to stay room. I just say you don't want to come out again. One nearly call 911, may they help me drag you come outside.
You don't reach like that.
You don't pass.
Anyway, I was on official call. I was just taking some calls. Nothing much.
I hope all is well.
Yes, all is well.
Okay, voila.
Hey, I actually went out with my dad today and I saw that crazy girl. Your friend's cousin or whatever, I don't know what she calls herself.
That psychopath?
Exactly.
Hey!
I saw her today. Oh.
That girl is mad. I also met her.
You did?
You won't believe what she did to me. She embarrassed me today. In front of that, our usual eatery will eat.
Are you serious?
Simply because she saw me with Morris. She dare open her stinky mouth to call me a prostitute.
You don't mean it.
I go lie for you.
It was the same eatery she embarrassed herself, not me. I think that she knows my dad through someone. She even went as far as saying that I came out with someone or I'm going out with someone that's old enough to be my father. My dad got so upset and told her, this is my daughter.
Hey, that girl know well, but I dealt with her today. Trust me now. She's lucky her brother was there to save her. Else, heaven would have blessed her with my fingers on her body. Is she mad? Look at that, that's riffraff.
That girl is a street girl. A night hustler. When you look at her, you know that her attitude tells it all.
Before, Uncle, what were you expecting? See, let me tell you. Forget all this packaging. She's just packaging. Everybody can package. She's just packaging, nothing gone but you. If you near that girl, nothing. She's just there making noise. Stupid girl. I don't even like her. Anyways. She's not important.
I just want to sit down.
Let's talk about something worth our time.
That's right. Okay, shoot.
I'm
listening.
cook.
Huh?
I dey cook.
You dey cook?
I just remember.
Your food don't burn, no worry.
No, it
worry,
can
sir.
never. I will be back. Don't wait.
Don't be the
one
one
that
that
said
said Go and check, because I'm starving. I've been talking on the phone since.
Hey, hey, everything is fake. The life is a game. Oh, not judge. They want to make you believe they are high class.
Babe, how far now?
What's good?
Are you kidding me? Oga Collins gave you 400k. Hey, see my babe now. See group. When I was telling you that Oga Collins is so crazy about you and he can do anything to make you happy, you think I was joking, Abby? Hey, see my girl now. I beg, do they come? Are you serious? No wahala o. As I dey so see, I dey wait for one big fish like that. Hey, Paro dey this night too. Yes now. I dey wait for him. See, this one I no fit miss out this one. See, this guy hold money. The guy get money scatter. Na big fish. Okay, no wahala, no wahala. You say that tomorrow? Okay. Alright. We'll see now. Enjoy. Bye. See my girl. Tell her so that could be a spoiler.
Nothing is real.
Dad. It's okay, Dad. It's fine. No. That issue doesn't bother me at all. I mean, it's obvious that girl is not normal. I will advise you tell your friend for them to take her to the hospital for checkup. Because that girl obviously needs it. What else do you want me to say, Dad? Didn't you see the drama she acted? Alright. Okay then. I've heard you. Okay, I'll talk to you later. I love you, Dad. Bye. Daddy.
Hey, everything is fake. The life is a game. Oh, not judge. They want to make you believe they are high class chicks. They are high class. Nothing is real. These are girls who can pay their bills. Keep living a borrowed life. Nothing is real about these girls. Hey, they keep living a fake life, fake life, fake life, fake life. Nothing is real. Nothing is real. Nothing is real. Nothing is real. They keep living a fake life, fake life, fake life. Nothing is real. Nothing is real. The more you look, the less you see. Everything is fake. The life is a game.
What are you doing here?
I have been calling your lines. You refuse to pick, sent you messages. You didn't respond to any of them. I know it's because of what happened the last time, but come on now, let it go. I'm sorry.
Are you done? Or you have something else to say?
I have so many things to say, only if you will listen, but I guess it's the wrong timing for me.
God. I am off to work. And again, tell your sister when next she crosses my path, she should learn to behave. I don't like mad people around me.
Hello, Tracy. Listen. Are you just going to listen to me now? This whole madness is ruining things for me. Now my friend is not talking to me, all because of you. Oh. You're laughing. You're laughing, right? You think it's a joke? Listen. Don't apologize to me. Stay away from me. Stop causing issues for me. Let this be the last time you come in. Tracy, mind your business. Mind your business. I won't warn you again.
Hey, Maurice, I don't understand. I'm you the shout for. No, tell me, I'm you the shout for. I don't understand. Eh? Eh, not shout for me, oh, not shout for me, oh, because me and you they run things, you can't shout for me anyhow. Which kind of nonsense be that? Because they connect me with big men. Eh? Oh, I don't see her finish now. Eh, I don't see her. Because that babe, you they show yourself. I don't understand. I bet when you pack well, not come my line again, no, not come my line. Which kind of nonsense be that one? Eh? Hello, Wendy, how far now? You dey your shade? I beg, I know if you come now, I know if you come. I dey very tired. In fact, all my body just dey pain me. I know if you come. And this Maurice guy just spoil my mood. Seriously. Me and you go talk later, yeah? Alright, babe. But yeah, take care of yourself. I beg, come. Hello, Chichi. Which kind thing be this one now? Which kind wala be this? When did I send you money? You think I planted a tree of money at the back of my house, Abi? Keep quiet, my friend. You have to manage yourself. Everybody make them manage themselves. The country they had. Everybody manage themselves. I not get money now. More now they put pressure for my body. Which kind of nonsense be this one now? Every time, money. Every time. What is it? The country they had. Everybody they also. See, don't call me for money again. No. I don't like it. Don't call me for money. Because I put money for inside my breast, Abi. I beg, bye. Which kind of say every time money. Person not go rest. I beg, ma go dress up. Ma come up for this house. Which kind of
shortcut.
Hey, Mercy. There is good news. Mm-hmm.
Tell me about it.
Well, your sister now has a job. I got a new job. This job is a good one, a really good one. But the only downside is the job will be taking me out of town, say 2 days, 3 days. It depends on the demand for supply, you understand? So, I am officially handing this business over to you, like you've always wanted, so you take care of it in my absence. So I can focus on the new job.
I will do just that. Congratulations to you. Thank you. So, tell me, what kind of job is that?
It's a marketing job. I market cosmetics for a new company. This company is actually in Canada. They are not in Nigeria. They just recently opened a new office here in Nigeria. Yes, and they recruited us to, help them advertise their products, so that it can be everywhere around town. And since it's still a new company, they don't want to start opening branches everywhere. So they decided to open their branch here then they can now send us out for marketing. You know how it is now, but it's actually a good company. And I was just lucky. I was lucky to be amongst the chosen ones. Hi.
Sister, this sounds really good. But, sister, I hope it's not this kind of marketing business that if someone did not patronize you, you will not get paid.
No, which kind someone did not patronize you? It's me that is telling you now. You trust your sister. Me, I have done my background work on this company. You trust me.
I trust you.
This company, whether they sell, they don't sell, month ending, they count your money. Boza, trust me now. I did a check. If that was the first question I asked him. I told him, I said, manager, oh, a month ending, you will not tell me. So he said, no, not at all. That when I work, they'll pay me my money. My own is just show up, tell people, because of this big brands, that have already established in this company. So you just need local people to carry. They need this product to be in every part of this place. You understand? That's why they need us. It's not like maybe they don't even have money to do advert. They're just using it to still help us. So money for them is not a problem. So we sell low, we don't sell low. They just want to chase out those big brands and bring it there. And guess what? Their products are very cheap.
Very cheap.
As I speak to you, even just yesterday here, you need to see how the shop, it was full. Wow. People were just carrying lipstick, lip balm. You need to see powder. My colleague on a sitting sold 1 million naira. That's lest I forget, if anybody comes here to ask of me, are you listening? Tell them you don't know me. Tell them that I am just a customer that comes here to buy bole and leave. Are you listening? Don't go and be running your mouth. You do not know me from anywhere.
Sister, okay, I've heard you. But if I may ask, why? It's your business.
You just said okay, and now you are saying if you may. No, you may not ask. You don't have the right to ask. You are telling you something with peace. You are saying if you may ask. But let me check bole there because I know you don't be checking it. When I live in this business, be checking every 2 minutes. Don't come here and be telling me if you may ask. In fact, just praying that we'll have good customers.
Sister.
Hey, everything is fake. The life is a game. Oh, not judge. They want to make you believe they are high class chicks. They are high class. Nothing is real. These are girls who can pay their bills. Keep living a borrowed life. Nothing is real.
Wait. How far now? What is how far now? You collected my wig and told me you were going to return it in 2 days' time, and then you disappeared. I've been calling your number, you deliberately refused to pick my calls. Why?
Now public we did.
What in a public we did now?
Why you
when you borrowed my wig, you didn't know it was going to be embarrassing when you don't return it.
I tell you, sir, I'll give you back now. Why they embarrass me?
Why you never? Give me this thing. Idiot.
Kemi, what did they do? Kemi, why now? Give me the wig.
See the way you even rough handled my wig. You could not even stretch it.
Kemi, why
because it's not you that bought it, Abi.
Why is it? Give me now. Give me.
See, respect yourself, Idiot. Carry your mad gay hair. Come on.
Kemi, why they do like this now? See as Ibila Amweba, shapeless, straight, nonsense. Waiting now, you the Chris. Are you stupid? You see, said they remove my wig. You can't talk to me, and you can't you see the jobless people. Can't you mind your business? Which kind? I could use it to whoop you. I want to be like Amweba. So other wig. What is wig that I cannot buy? What is wig? Me want to buy one full beauty or warehouse of wig. Now you gonna embarrass my life. From all you've told me, you brought this on yourself. If you had simply returned the wig, all this wouldn't have happened. So na person wig you give me the last time.
I beg, babe, not start. I beg. Please. Do you know the sacrifices I've gone through for that girl? You know what I have done, the guys I have connected her to. I've never asked her for 1 naira, not even a cut. Can you imagine? See the way she just embarrassed me just for ordinary wig go. Ordinary wig when I know say me. If I go market now, I go just buy the full shop. She just embarrassed me like that. But no worry, I go do her back.
Tracy. You know, get person they give award for payback. I beg, respect yourself. You don't do. May end for you. Waiting.
I've heard you. I'll try.
Please do. Lest I forget. I told Mercy that she'll be the one now that will be handling the plantain business. And now, since this is my new job, they take my time. Yes. Guess what? as we were talking, hey, my sister, guess who came in?
Mr. Collins.
No, now, Beauty. One of those, my friends, when I did tell you about now. My darling, as I see her, be like me grand open.
Oh, she not see you.
Mike,
Hey!
Chapito like me. I dodge. Immediately I saw her, I just hid myself somewhere. Trust me now.
You try you. If not me, I'm not near that shit. I swear.
Baby, your phone. Pick.
I better leave am.
Leave waiting. You don't know that money they come.
Which money?
Check.
Now my siblings they come now. They no want make her rest. I don't tire. Which kind of wahala be this one now?
Problem dey. What's up?
Now they want normal thing now. They want money now. May I pay their school fees? All these kind of things. Baby, look. The load I'm carrying is just too much. I don't want to pick this call. I beg.
I understand it's not easy, especially when you have a lot of siblings under you. Anyway, everybody gets your own problem. Me sef. My mama, we borrow money. That time my father helped stay down before he died. He's running into 3 point something as I speak with you.
3 point what?
3 million plus.
Hey, how come?
My sister, I didn't know that the money I've been sending to her to offset the bills gradually. She wasn't even doing anything.
Now wow. Why?
My dear, it's very funny. She said, I found out that she was using the money for church contributions, donation and everything. As woman leader now.
Hey. At least you would have used the money for that purpose instead of using it for all these church contributions and all that. You know, makes sense now.
It was Mercy that even told me. Mercy went to the village and found out that that's what Momsy has been doing. My dear, when Mercy called me on the phone, tears dropped from my eye. 3 point something million. And Momsy just they carry money, they dash people. Which one I want talk finish? I be na Emeka. After he used me as I be like this, so stand shorty, collect loan. Emeka carry money buy car. Buy car, you know rich amo. I know even say, at least you take and work, bring money, make her abscond. People gather, begin clear my provision shop, remove every single thing from my shop, and left me dry and empty. As a daughter, what I go do? My mama, I can't leave me to embarrass her. No, I wouldn't have allowed my mom to be insulted in the village. So as it stands, I pay my sister. Now maybe they see reason with this hustle thing when you introduce me Puto, because if not, 20% want they hustle all this. I got their content now. What I get? I got hustle. Let me pay all these debts, clear them, and avoid any insult or embarrassment.
I understand. I know everything. I know I said make her take misbehave. That boy, now God go punish him. He made you pass through a lot. Now he landed you into doing this bole business. Can you imagine? Which kind of wahala be this one?
You know, so now you still even get to thank for that one. Thank you. Tracy, you be person. Kai, you be person. Thank you so much. Tracy, after my provision store was cleared, even though you were just a customer, a paying customer at that, you didn't even say, this one. No, you still brought out money and say, take, start up something. And that was how I started my bole business, without even asking me to pay you back. How many people can do that for you? Show me one person that will do that for you. Show me. No person, except Angel or God himself. But you do them for me. You stand and you show me, say, people still did this world. See us now. This business, nobody still puts me. You still look and say, Wendy, this yourself I don't do. Come, make I enter you for better life. See me now. You can't still put me for this one. Tracy, you be person. You be person.
Don't worry. You know, say the streets, they also, this runs one they do not easy. We need to save up money, start up a lucrative business, and then resign and focus. That's what we need to do. Ashobo will be work. I swear, Asha will not be work at all. No, just forget about this whole thing, start up a good business and get focused. That's all.
Tracy, I'm surprised.
I don't know so you get sense like this, so. No, because I'm supposed to be the one giving you all this advice, and here you are telling me all of this. I'm super surprised at your intelligence.
Please, just leave that. I have plans.
And good ones at that.
Very good ones.
Thank you. You're a good friend and a sister. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes, hello. Baby girl, I told you that hair is 1.2 million for last. 1,150,000. You and who? You want to send me to my village? I beg, be serious. Or you want to buy hair from one of the latest salons?
This is the lady. Boyfriend snatcher.
So now you know what pay my sister, Abi?
Now she snapped my boyfriend.
So now you. See, listen to me, I tell you now, eh? Listen to me, I tell you now, as they be like this now.
Friend.
I'm sure you're mistaking me for someone else. I don't have time for this.
Am I blind? See this girl, oh.
I tell you to come out.
I
tell you now. Wait till they stop now. Wait till they stop. You go transfer that money for her. Nah. If not,
500K.
you go collect.
500K now.
Fast. You want collect?
Transfer the money fast.
Who be this one?
Madam, I'm making my money.
Transfer the money. Nah. Transfer the money, give her.
It's up.
Madam, I'm making my money.
Transfer the money, give her.
I said, what is going on here? Are you mad? I'm talking.
Okay.
I'm talking.
Okay, what beats me?
Are you out of
Okay, what from me fight?
Look at this small rat. Huh?
What's going on here?
Huh? See you out.
Waiting
See you
now.
out.
See you.
What's the problem?
Waiting now.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Mama, how are you doing? How is everyone? Mama, I'm sorry for the way I spoke to her. Even Patrick called and I was a bit rude to him. Mama, I was trying to resolve some issues in my office and then their call kept on coming. And Mama, look, I was in a very bad mood. Okay, it's fine. I'll talk to them. I'll call them later, Mama, please. Hope you're fine. What about the roof that the wind blew off? Oh, that's good. That's good. I'll try and send them money. Mama, wait. Chiamaka and Friday should wait so that I can attend to the need of those in the university. Okay. No problem, Mama. I will send them money. Amen. 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 Okay, thank you so much, Mama. Mama, I need to go to work right now. I'm running late. It's fine. Okay. Hi. God. How do I meet up with all this responsibility?
Hey, everything is fake. The life is a game. Oh, not judge. They want to make you believe they are high class chicks. They are high class. Nothing is real. These are girls who can pay their bills. Keep living a borrowed life. Nothing is real.
I need one powerful car. When I go to enter occasion like this, everybody mouth go just open, you know? That kind of powerful motor, yes.
Get one powerful spider where they bring for me now. Yes, so that you go enter for what you want exam.
What if the owner can't come?
What if the owner don't come? Don't mean the package work. I don't tell the owner say na for this time you go collect your motor. As they talk to me now, me I go just arrange them for you sharp. You carry and go. Then when you don't finish, you go come carry motor.
Okay. As per Tracy, 9 make I can't reason you. You understand? I mean me day here. So how much you go collect from me?
It's a powerful car. It's a 100.
100 waiting, Oga. Ha! No. Now house are they buy?
Wait, how do you say you want powerful car? Okay, wait, how much you want pay?
Ha! Oga, you know say you be Tracy customer. And she tell me say you go do me well. Make I give you 15K now.
15K? Nah, keke abi na wheelbarrow you want collect.
Oga, na half day I want use. You not even reach half day, just a couple of hours. That's what I want to. What's happen now?
You go.
Oh, you don't do. Wait, no talk too much. My add 3K on top maybe 18K.
3K. A bicycle I go give you.
Okay, don't do. Make final offer, Oga. More leave on 20K. May I give you na. You know.
20K for powerful car. If I say they don't give you orientation, just not tell you how much. I won't give you powerful car. See me I tell you now 80K me I go collect last too. What be what you do the price? I can pepper.
Come first, come. Me and you know the correct shift. Come. You know what's go happen, eh? Make I go. I go come back. I go reason the matter.
You better go reason am. Reason am well because if I say you yourself no dey used to the rent car. I go the rent car. I go the call that kind of money. Go reason am before you come abeg. And as they come, I don't tell you. 80K. Except maybe you know one motor.
Just go talk to you for phone. 80K no go work, but my if I go reason the matter first.
Go reason am. See, make I tell you. You better go reason am. If I get finish, you want powerful motor. One the price the 15,000, 18,000. Now kind of pepper you want carry. No, the risk why they take to arrange motor where they powerful. We go come out for this your fine color. Where na stop?
Spider no bad now. You for wire am 30K. You go collect am now.
No, babe. I would rather go to a car stand. At least, no, I beg. That mechanic, I don't trust him. You know, when I go to a car stand and hire a car, it's better for me. Then when I'm driving, my mind will be at rest. It's as simple as ABC.
Look, don't even go there. Their own might be very expensive. We'll try them.
We won't know if we don't find out now. Me, I'll go there and make my findings, at least to know their cost.
Okay, no problem. Suit yourself.
In fact, I think I should even go there now. Yes. Let me go there because there's no time. I need to sort this thing out today. I only have today to do all of this. Let me just start going there. I'll see you later.
Okay, wait. Let's go together. Let me dress up so we can go together.
It's better. That's better.
Let me wear something.
Hurry.
Which one be hurry?
Hurry. Because you go want to do makeup. And today you won't catch big fish. Hurry.
You're supposed to know my matter now.
I don't get time. Babe, what do you get for this house? No water, no nothing. Wow.
Life, nothing is real about these girls. Hey, they keep living a fake life. Nothing is real, Nothing is real, They keep living a fake life. Nothing is real, The more you look, the less you see.
Queen! Oh my God! Queen!
Wendy! Yes! Is this you or I'm seeing someone else?
Come on! Who else? If not Wendy Adozie. In spirit and in flesh.
You're looking so good.
Thank you so much, my darling. How are you? Not looking bad yourself. How
Thank
are you?
I'm fine. Beauty told me she saw you. And you promised to call, but you never did. What happened?
My bad. Listen, I had so many meetings to attend to. It was just here and there, so many activities, and I just got caught up with time. But I'm sorry. Please tell her I'm sorry.
It's fine.
How is she, by the way?
She's fine.
Oh, God. You know what? Tell her before the month runs out. Okay. I'll just try to reschedule a couple of things, then come see you girls. What do you think?
That's perfect. But before I forget, give me your number. I don't want to miss this chance.
That's fine. It's 0. Okay, 7.
Hey, everything is fake. The life is a game. All not judge, they want to make you believe they are high class chicks. They are high class. Nothing is real. These are girls who can pay.
Hello? Where are you? I'm at the hotel you told me. No, I can't go in until you get here. No, I don't want to go in to wait for you. You know what? I'll just stay packed outside till you come. Of course. Stop. It's not funny. No. Come on. You're silly. It's okay. Please hurry up, okay? I don't stay here for too long. Silly. Of course. Yeah.
Wendy!
Emeka.
Wendy, now you be this?
What happened to you? Why are you in the streets begging, looking all dirty?
It's a long story. I beg. Moku no go there, I beg. Wendy, I beg. You fit find me small money, I beg. Make her take chop. I beg. Wendy, I know say I offend you. But no use because of wetin I do you say you no go help me again. I dey very sorry. Na mistake I do. I beg. Just small money, I beg. Make her take chop, yeah? Yeah? Thank you so much. I know say God don't already bless you. And he go dey bless you, they go. At least I fit chop better food today. Hey. Wendy, I beg no vex so. I fit get your number so that I fit call you later. Abeg. Yeah? Just your number, abeg. Wendy. Wendy. Wendy.
No shot.
Lady, boyfriend snatcher.
So now you know what pay my sister, Abi?
Now she snapped my boyfriend.
So now you see, listen, man, I tell you now. Listen, man, I tell you now. As they be like this now.
I'm sure you're mistaking me for someone else. I don't have time for this.
Am I blind? See this girl, oh.
I tell you to come out.
I
I tell you now. What did they solve now? What did they solve? you go transfer that money for her. Nah. If
500.
you go collect.
Faster. 500K now.
Fast. You want collect?
Transfer the money fast. Who be this one?
Madam, I'm making my money.
Transfer the money. Nah. Transfer the money, give her.
It's Sam.
Transfer the money, give her.
I said, what is going on here? Are you mad? I'm talking. Okay. I'm talking to
Okay,
you.
what beats me?
Are you out of
Okay, what from me fight?
Look at this small rat. What?
What's going on here?
Huh? See you out.
Wait
See you out. See you.
What's the problem?
Wait now.
Yeah.
How far? Have you been here since?
No, not quite long. I got it.
Queen, are you okay?
What is it? Beauty. I was harassed today by some strangers.
What?
And the girl with them accused me of snatching her boyfriend.
What? Wait. Are you sure they didn't mistake you for someone else?
No. The idiot of a girl confirmed it that I was the one. She even said that she sent me with her boyfriend severally. So the guys compelled me to pay a sum of 500,000 to their sister for compensation of snatching her boyfriend. A boyfriend I don't even know.
Now, wow. Babe, this is serious, so. But what did you do?
As I was thinking of what to do, Morris showed up and had it hot with them. So they had to let me go.
Thank God. Thank God Morris came into the picture. What would you have done?
You know, if it weren't for Morris, if those guys were ready to do their worst, they were never going to let me go. But can you imagine me going, being accused of snatching somebody's boyfriend?
Crazy.
Me when no they see man, I don't even send anybody, Papa. I can't take that humiliation.
Okay.
You can imagine.
It's okay. At least, let's thank God nothing happened to you. And they didn't take anything from you.
Yeah. I'm even worried. I've been calling Morris, but he's not taking my calls. I only want to appreciate him, you know. He stood for me. He came as a Superman and he rescued me. I just wanted to say thank you and explain things to him, and I'm just worried.
It's okay. You can send him a text. And try calling him later. What do you think?
How to just... Okay, let me just Send him a text.
It's okay. We'll try calling him later. For now, I think you should go take a shower so you can cool off. You've had a bad day. Go.
Oh, really?
Go, okay? Listen, just go inside and take a shower so you can feel better. A cool bath. Okay. It's crazy people.
Are you sure?
Yes. Are you still there? Go now. Sorry.
I said I don't want to hear stories. Just go and pay your school fees. Yes. Yes. Don't misplace the money the way you did last time. I will not take it. Money is not easy to get. Don't go to school to start living extravagant life. Oh. It won't be nice. Just try and manage yourself, please. No wahala, I'm going to talk to the others. I'll send money. All right. Amen. Amen. All right. No problem.
Tracy. Give me 5 first. Give me 5. Now you go. Tracy.
Wait, happen.
My today sweet me down.
Why you come dey excited? They blessed they buy you motor.
They buy me cannot check and say they walk you.
What's up?
Hey, my today sweet me down. Tracy. Okay, I'll give you gist.
Okay.
I saw one of those my friends today.
Okay.
When she saw me, I just drove into the place where she saw me. Maybe did you see me? Everything changed. Tracy, success is sweet.
I swear to God.
God punish poverty. Poverty now bastard. Tracy, you need to see everything changed. You need to see the respect, the flow. She didn't want me to leave. She was just like, we just felt like we should just go on and on and. Tracy,
why she no go respect now?
You don't confirm the packaging. No, now confirm am now. You package well now. I package.
They're supposed to bend that for you.
I gallant. Are you serious?
So what about the guy you went to see?
Tracy. Like you talk. I package.
Okay. I package. You full ground. Understand?
Tracy. Immediately he saw me with the car. The respect tripled. Tracy, the guy say my own hookup now high class. Me, I don't do high league. No, I don't come for local league. I don't do local champion things again. I did high league, Tracy. Oh well, we just got talking, a little chit chat here and there, and well, we had to fix another date, so we could spend the night together.
Is that what you did? And you came back with nothing? I don't understand you. I don't understand you, babe. Which kind of paro be that one?
What did they walk you? Your blood too they hot. You see, the problem you get, you're full left. Me? What's in my second name? Tell me.
Monica.
What's the worry this one? Alaska! Bagam! The guy in Naka. 400k, babe. Hey! Girl!
No, correct money with that too.
See they talk like this. As I see the money, I won't shout. But now, I be Mrs. Packaging. I can't take and slack. I can't just smile. As you teach me, I just smile. I can't say, thank you. Me no be like I never see that kind of money before. You don't see me. My phone recommend just buy fuel sons. Babe! Who they do one for this town?
Who they check? Who they zoom?
We they walk. They show. They are laugh. They
Bakan.
babe! But some won't down me, Sha. When I want down that excitement, because I see now, Emeka now. I just my darling.
Understand. Which Emeka?
How many Emeka That my stupid dirty ex now. You don't know him again.
That bastard. That dirty boy.
Tracy. This guy came to beg me for money to feed, to eat, babe. Emeka was not looking okay. At the beginning, he didn't even recognize me.
He was looking at me funnily, and though even myself, I didn't recognize him. When I check him well, now I make her be this so. Ha! Himself look me say, this girl, the transformation don't obvious so.
I don't understand.
My sister. Hope say you not give her anything, no. After all he did to you, hope say you not give her shit bang. Because of what he do me, I will not do her back. Maybe I give her 3K make it shop food. You need to see, this guy was wearing rats. He was looking so dirty, scruffy. Maybe you will not understand. Hi.
Now what for you? You dey dull, oh. You dey dull. Why you give her money? Now what for you?
You need to, like, Hi.
Hey! What do you do for here? Who be this bastard? This dirty see how you dey smell, see fly.
Please, sorry, I want to talk to Wendy, please.
You want to talk to who? I don't understand.
I don't want to talk to you.
Well, Wendy.
Hey, bad luck. Hey, Tracy, I want you bad luck for my life.
You try to smell me, I don't smell here. Bring this place, my friend.
Please help me talk to her.
Talk to what? Oh, this place is smell. See your mouth is smell. You not brush. You're dirty. You want to come and meet fine girl?
Sorry.
But I get her from here.
Sorry.
She said, when you come out from here now, which kind of nonsense is this one now? What kind of thing is this now?
Wendy. Please, no.
Okay, get her from here, Joe. What is wrong with you? How can they make me touch you? Come, I will use these slippers on you.
Wendy.
I mean, let me open my phone now.
Please, no, Wendy. Wendy.
Oh, my God. I'm not talking.
Wendy.
Come on, wash your hand.
Okay, what?
No, touch me, no. Wash this one. Wash hand.
I want to thank you for honoring my invitation. I called so many times and you weren't taking my calls. But I'm glad you're here now.
I was busy at the time you were calling.
Oh, I see. I thought you were angry.
I tried to get your attention, but when I noticed that you weren't coming forth, I decided to let you be.
I'm sorry about my actions. The way I reacted, I'm really sorry. You know, there's something I fancy about you. You're a good guy. The other day, you saw me in troubles and you came to my rescue. Not minding you could also get yourself into trouble. You know, I like that. Thank you. You're a good friend.
Well, let's just say that's how it's built. I mean, when I like someone, I am emotionally drawn to someone, I see myself giving a lot for that person. I'll do anything, everything for that person. I'll put my life on the line for that person.
The other time, you ignored my thank you. Hopefully this time you will accept it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
No smile?
Babe,
Everything is fake. The life is a game.
you know these people are big men and they don't like to be
They
kept
want to
waiting.
make you believe they are high class chicks.
Babe!
What is it now? Why you want to shout my name now?
Hey!
I need to package
Baby
myself
get.
very well.
Baby, get! Take a look at me and tell me how I'm looking.
You look sexy.
Eye-catching.
Oh my God.
In fact, any politician that sees you will not let you be.
I pray because I want to catch big fish.
Hey!
You don't already catch up now. What are you talking about? Look at that.
I beg, how do I look like? You know already. You're always on point. Sexy. But the only downside is say No problem, deal. This makeup make you resemble monkey, sha.
Now me they come monkey. You be gorilla. You know where?
Oh yeah,
Sissy, baby, don't not mean it.
I'm just
Not
joking.
meaning it.
Come on, I was just joking. Come on, you know. You're sexily on point.
Oh my
You look beautiful. Ah,
Babe, what's this like that? You want to package these two things when they front and the other one remains for me before come out.
I want
You don't get mind to see this thing and you go see how it come out. Babe, I bet leave me. See, first of all, wait. Set us pray.
don't worry this one. I shall they pray.
I don't understand. What should be a shower they pray? Even native doctor when they do jabs for person, they pray to God make it work. If they ask me that shower they pray.
No, not for me. They go. I bet time no day.
Hold it there. Drop your bag. Oh yeah, fast. Drop am. Drop the bag now. Me will pray now. Oh yeah, hold my hand. Bring your hand now. Why they do like this?
Must I hold you?
Oh yeah, go to pray. Father Lord, in the mighty name of Jesus. Oh Lord, even as we go there, make your favor begin to pursue, overtake us in the mighty name of Jesus. God, make everything just work out well. Favor. Now so money going. Anybody want to see us who will be so attractive in the mighty name of Jesus. Hey, Father. Wait now, they pray, they look me. I don't understand.
I wonder when Ashawa and God become a companion.
Close your eye now, mo pray now.
Maybe we they go, time they go. These people leave us come up. Babe, I want catch big fish. I not there for this one you they talk.
Oh yeah,
so.
see, wait,
which kind of
oh yeah, make
one
I conclude my prayer in the mighty name of Jesus. Father, thank you for your favor for everything. As we go in peace in the mighty name of
I saw you. Yes! I saw you a day before that day. Do you want to tell me you didn't go to the mall? I saw you with a woman. You even went as far as opening the door for her and you drove off with her.
Alright, I admit that. I was the one. I came in 6 days ago, but I've been very busy. Yes.
Oh, really? Busy? Busy with women, of course.
No. You know my kind of job. I'm an architect. And my boss cannot do any work without me. Yes. Believe me.
I don't even know why we're still having this conversation. You know what? Just get out. I said, get out. Get out of my